Hello everyone, thank you for joining on this another membership live. This is the 25th of March on Thursday. So looks like the market is changing in its trend. So let me talk about the Euro USD and the USDCHF today. So before starting here, just a quick disclaimer. This information is basically based on my experience knowledge. So when you take trades, please do with your own risk. Okay, so thank you for joining everyone today. Good to see you again. Alright, Kesiya, Asif, Khalid, and Jagadish, AW, Anthony, Nguyen, and Tien, Jean Philip, thank you for joining everyone. Good to see you here. Very nice to see you. So let me first start talk about the Euro dollar. This is going down on the daily chart. It's downtrending. You can see that the Kumo is trending down. And the Kijun Sen is trending down too, and the market broke the previous low, which is at 1.1834 level. It just broke downwards. So I put my analysis on this trading view yesterday on this Euro USD. So this was my analysis. The Kumo's sloping down, and the Kijun Sen just angled downwards yesterday, and also the Chikou span is below the candles. So in this condition, this is downtrending. So I was looking for the sell chance, and in fact the market went downwards now. So let me forward the candlesticks like this. Yep, so now it's gradually moving down. It's not like a strong downtrend, but it's kind of gradual downtrend, and I think that this is continue to go down until this the next Henkabi, which is the 26th or 7th of March. So I think still gradual moving down, and that's what I actually put on this analysis here. So this is one of my frequent asked questions, is that would you still look for the sell chance before the breakout? And my answer is yes, because if I see the potential breakout, then I will still look for the sell chance, and I think this is a good example for that. So once again, yesterday, if you can see, if I can enlarge the candlesticks like this, you might think that this is support. This is a support, and you might think that this might become double bottom and it might go up this way. But my view was downtrend, because once again the Kumo was down, and Kijun Sen was also down, Tenkan Sen down, and Chikou span below the candles. So this was bearish candlestick. I mean, this was bearish momentum. And that's why I was expecting the market breaks the previous low. So yeah, yesterday I was already looking for the sell chance before the breakout happens. So and now it's going back or going downwards. So looks like it's bearish, and now we have currently it's forming a doji candle. So the start price and close price is almost at the same time, and we have wicks pointing up and downwards. So this is bearish move right now. Yep, so that's my analysis on this Euro dollar and on the daily chart. So I look at the lower time frame, 1 hour 30, to look for the sell chance and to confirm this downtrend. So as per 1 hour chart, the Kumo is sloping down, but the Kijun Sen is flat at the moment. So I would wait until the Kijun Sen points downwards to look for the sell chance. And I do expect the market will go down and Kijun Sen will point down, because this is bearish. But for now, it's retracing in the short term, because Kijun Sen flat, and that's why I wait for the Kijun Sen point down to look for the sell chance, even in lower time frames. And then I look at the 30-minute chart. And also in 30-minute chart too, the Kumo flat, Kijun-sen flat at the moment. So I wait for the Kumo either Senko span B down or A down, and plus Kijun-sen down. And then I look at the 15 or 5-minute chart to look for the sell chance. But this is bearish, so I think this is a good timing to look for the sell chance at the moment. I could draw a trend line on this 30-minute chart, and it looks like the market has been resisted by this descending trend line. So once the market touches on this trend line, it can bounce and it's going downwards this way too. And when it happens, that will be a great sell chance to look for. Alright, good to see you everyone. Thank you for joining. Okay, Gerald and Roy, Carola, thank you for joining. Robert, yeah, thank you for joining everyone. Good to see you. Sochaya and John, Shanti, Mario, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Yep, I'm doing well in Dubai. Thank you for asking me. I think I get a little bit of a tan because I was outside today, and the sun is so strong today. So I think I got a little bit of a tan, which is a nice thing. Hey Patrick, Tam, thank you for joining. Suzo, Nifty, Don Don, Alexandre, thank you for joining. Manchef, Le Clergy, Sasientran, thank you for joining. Yeah, I think Euro dollar is downtrending continuously, so I'm looking for the sell chance. Yeah, but we need to confirm downtrend on these mid-time frames. So either 1 hour or 30 should also be downtrending. Then I look for the sell chance in 15 or 5-minute chart. Alright. Mikidomo, thank you for joining. Good to see you here. Can we use Ichimoku in crypto? I'm not sure about that actually. I'm not a crypto trader, so I'm not sure. If you can backtest and if you find Ichimoku to be working on the cryptos, then you can go for it. Hello Hussein, Fabio, thank you for joining. Number 9, good to see you too. Alright, Nifty, good to see you again. Alright, so that is my Euro dollar analysis, and then I would like to talk about the dollar Swiss franc, which is also trending at the moment. So I look at the daily chart, and the daily chart looks to be uptrending. So this is before the breakout at the previous high on this 0.9375 level. But I can see that the Kumo is up right now. The Senko span A is upward, and the Kijun-sen is also moving up. Tenkan-sen also moving up, and Chikou span above the candles too. So this is bullish, and I can look for this buy chance on these lower time frames and expect the market to break the previous high. So this is before the breakout, but this is exactly what happened on this Euro dollar, because I was expecting the market to break before the break happens as per analysis yesterday, like this, because the Kumo was down and Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen down, and Chikou span below the candles. So this is bearish on the daily chart, and afterwards the market broke the support line downwards. So I think similar thing happens on this dollar Swiss franc. This is before the breakout. So if you see this market, you might think that this might become a double top and the market might go down. And it might be true, right? It might be true. But in this case, I can still see buyers are more in the market than sellers. And that's why I expect the market to break the resistance. And the reason, once again, is because the Kumo's up, Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen up, and Chikou span above the candles. But once the market goes flat or ranging after this resistance, then that will make the Kumo and Kijun Sen flat. So I would know that this is ranging consolidating market, or tomorrow, or next week we might see range. In that case, we have Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, and I don't look for buy chance anymore. So daily chart looks to be uptrending, so I look at the lower time frames 1 hour chart. And the 1 hour chart is gradually moving up. I can still see bullishness on this one because the Kumo Senko span B up, A up, and Kijun Sen is pointing upwards, but Chikou span is overlapping with the past candles. So I think this is flat ranging, so it might go backwards to the Kumo, but there's a good chance that the market will be supported by the Kumo and goes upwards. And the reason is because that the Kumo is very thick over here. So this can still support it and it goes upwards like this. So we can draw the support line like this, and the market can still move up and break the previous high at this 0.9375 level, possibly. So that's my analysis on this dollar Swiss franc. Or I look at the 30-minute chart. And in 30-minute chart, this is ranging and there is no trend because the Kumo is flat, Kijun Sen flat, Chikou span touching with the candles. So yeah, it takes more time for me to confirm this uptrend on the 30-minute chart. So in this case, I will prefer to stick to 1 hour chart and the market come above the Kijun Sen and Chikou span breaks above the candles, then I look for the buy chance in lower time frames. Then I expect the market to break the previous high like this. So it might happen today or tomorrow, so I'm watching this pair closely now. So these are the examples on how I capture the this trending pair before the breakout. So, and I thought these are two good examples, and that's why I decided to talk about them today. Alright, so yep, let me check a couple of comments here. Alright, good to see you everyone. Thank you for joining. Okay. Hello Melanie, thank you for joining. Good to see you here. 2 hour chart, Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, and Kumo are down. So that is downtrending. So you can follow the 2 hour chart downtrend in that case. So make sure which time frame you follow. Like on this euro dollar, on the daily chart it's downtrending, and also in 4 it's flat. I have night time frame analysis and I decide which. So in this case, once again, the daily chart as per Ichimoku is trending down because Kumo down, Kijun Sen down, and Tenkan Sen down and Chikou span below the candles. But in 4 hour chart, this is flat. You see clear flatness on this 4 hour chart because the Kumo flat, Senko span BA flat, and the Kijun Sen also flat. Oh sorry, Senko span A is not flat technically, but Kijun Sen is flat. So I wait for the Kijun Sen to point down to be able to follow the downtrend in 4 hour chart. Otherwise, I just follow the daily chart downtrend. So that means if I take a sell, then I keep trading the profit to sell as long as Kumo goes down and Kijun Sen goes down. And once I see Kijun Sen flat and Kumo flat, then I look for the sell chance then. And that's what I mean by follow the time frame by Ichimoku. So usually I don't set the target by the price level. I do look at the previous lows, and I do mention that these are potential targets. So in this case, the market keeps going down, and it might touch all the way down to this level, 1.1609, because we have twice of supports here. So in terms of price action, the market could go down because this is the previous support, but to be honest, I'm not sure if the market will reach that level or not. Straight. I think it's going to consolidate. Sometimes it goes back and downwards, and the market gradually, if it goes down continuously to that level. So on this downtrend, if I follow the daily chart, then I keep following the downtrend until the Kumo and Kijun Sen goes flat. And if I see Kumo Kijun Sen goes flat, then I look for the exit timing, because potentially that's the end of the downtrend, and the price might come backwards to the Kijun Sen if that happens. So you see, if you see market retracement, then that will make the Kumo Kijun Sen flat, and that's basically when I look for the exit timing. However, if I cannot look for the exit timing in lower time frames, and if the market keeps going down in this case, then I just keep these positions, and eventually if the market keeps going down, then that will make the Kumo Kijun Sen down again, and I follow the downtrend again. I keep trading the profit. So that is my strategy basically. Alright, good to see you here, everyone. So I will be doing my second channel live stream maybe this weekend perhaps. I will be doing it, so we can talk about Dubai. I can talk about my Dubai life and what kind of experience I have in Dubai. It's been quite an experience in Dubai right now. It's been quite an experience here. So I can talk about all these, but just one quick update is that I just gave the passport to get the visa stamp, so I should be able to get the stamp and the ID next week. Okay, Karim, thank you for joining. Gun Kiev, good to see you. Etha, thank you for joining. Alright. Let's see, let me pick up some other comments here. Alexandra says, I was expecting for the price going more bearish with the last US news, but no. Yeah, the news did not really affect the market down so much, but we can just follow the downtrend. The news can accelerate the downtrend, but basically I am a technical trader, so I don't really trade by the news. I only trade by Ichimoku and other indications, so you can follow the same too. Do you aim for 1.16 because I see resist on 1.17727? Yeah, hold on, let's see. Oh, I think that's the data Swiss franc. Sorry, if you can mention which currency you're talking about, that would be great. Yeah, but in this case, yeah, on this euro dollar, the ultimate target is the previous low at this 1.1609. Yeah, but for sure there will be some range or consolidation or retracement along the way, so the price should go up and down like this, and it keeps going down this way. So once I take a sell, then I watch the Kumo Kijun Sen angles closely. Euro Aussie please. Yeah, let me check that one. I think that this is ranging. Yeah, Euro Aussie is ranging on the daily chart because the Kumo is retracing, the Senko span A retracing backwards, and the Kijun Sen flat. Chikou span touching, and the price is in between Kumo Kijun Sen. So I don't look at this pair. This is ranging now, retracing. So it could go up or it could go down, and I'm not sure which way it's going on the daily chart basis. Alright, David, thank you for joining. How can we join your community from Iran? You can use VPN to access to the community. Alright. SPG. Let me focus on this Forex pairs for today. If you can bring some other Forex pairs. Oops, there's a call. Hold on. Alright, sorry about the pause. I thought that I muted the ring, but looks like it wasn't muted, so I'm sorry about that. So let's continue. Alright, James, thank you for joining. Good to see you. What do you think about USD Let's see. I think USD is now flat, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat. However, this is too bullish to me because the price itself is above the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, Kumo here, and the Chikou span above the candles. So this is too bullish, and it could reach to the next level. I mean, it can break the previous resistance levels at around 109.24 level. It can break and goes upwards still. The price is still above the forecast lines, so this is too bullish to me. Now the price is above the Kumo here, but Kumo bearish, so I will wait for the Kumo to be bullish in 4-hour chart. And this Chikou span is kind of breaking the candles, so it can go up like this. Yeah, it's my analysis. Or it might be resisted a couple more times, but if you see this kind of ascending P-wave triangle, then it can go up like this too. So you can expect also this to happen on this kind of situation. York says the next 2 weeks we can expect low volatility because of Easter vacation. That's true. Yeah, the market might be quiet next week, next week. We'll see. Hello, Don. Good to see you. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm doing fine here in Dubai. Thank you. Okay. Andrea, thank you for joining. And Viet, Sam, good to see you. Thank you for joining, everyone. Good to see you here. Okay, Aussie CAD daily chart is now retracing in a flat. So, sorry, let me turn it to the daily chart. And now this is the flat. We have the Kumo flat. Well, Kumo's down, sorry, but the Kijun Sen is flat. And now today's retracement. So let me see. Let me look into the 1-hour chart. And now we have retracement here. So the price is now in between the Kijun Sen Kumo in 1-hour chart. So this is in the range. So the Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, Chikou span touching with the candles. So it could go up or down, and we don't know which way it's going in this short term. Yeah, I can see bullishness right now. I can see bullishness because this is a bullish N wave like this, so it can go up and breaks the previous high too. There's important line here at this 0.9591 area. There is a reversal line, so it could go up to that level and it might go down, but if the market is too bullish, then it can break the previous high like this and the market can continue to go up like this. Okay, the gold. All right, let me check the gold, and let's see. Yep, the gold daily chart. I haven't looked at the gold yet today because it's ranging, but let's see. Yeah, so this is now, yeah, still flat ranging. I am still expecting the price go down this way because the price is still below Kumo Kijun Sen and the Chikou span below the candles, and the price has been resisted by this descending trend line, so it could go down continuously like this way. So we'll see. Yeah, it could go down. In 4-hour chart, let's see, this is in the complete range market, so this is not the market to touch. If you see this kind of market in lower time frames, this is not a good one. Yeah, you can take many trades efficient in this case. Okay. Alright, so yep, looks like I have to go. Sorry. So I will be ending the live stream for today for public, and there will be Ichimoku membership live in about 30 minutes. So for those who are members, I will see you soon. So hopefully for today's lesson on this live stream, you can get a sense of how you can be in a trade before the breakout, like a euro dollar, like I mentioned. And now I think dollar Swiss franc is about to break the previous high. So I do see more comments and questions, but I'm sorry, I have to end the session. But I hope to see you tomorrow, and see you next time. Please stay healthy, everyone. I hope everybody, yourself and your family, friends, everyone in a good condition, in safe and healthy condition. So thank you for joining for today's live stream as well, and I will see you on the next one. So stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you.